Wow, guys. Feels so good to be back in this thing. Jesus. I mean, listen to that. Oh my Lord. All right, guys, we're gonna stop somewhere so we can do a cost breakdown for you guys. Come out to the down south a bit in Perth, Western Australia, and we're gonna do a cost breakdown for you guys and talk a bit about the car. We got it back today. It's been absolutely amazing so far, driving really well. I need to fuel up already because this thing chugs fuel. That's the only bad thing about this car is the fuel economy. It is absolutely terrible. But apart from that, I mean, man, listen to this soundtrack. It just doesn't get much better than that, does it? Does not get much better than that. Big 6.2 litre V8. We're going to stop somewhere now and have a look around and do a bit of a cost breakdown for you guys on this car, see how much we actually paid for it, because it was very cheap, as you've seen by all of our titles. This thing was super, super, super cheap. So yeah. So, then we went on a little road trip back to the city and had to stop off at a place that this car knows very well, a fuel station. Not too bad. For those of you who have never watched our videos before, this car arrived as a write-off from a crashed car auction site. Now, it's had many problems throughout the months, namely the ECU. Though through the trials and tribulations, we finally think we've got it right. So let's get into how much this thing has cost us.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that POV drive and the quick little flybys in Mexico. We have now changed spots, so we're actually by the Swan River in Perth. Pretty beautiful river if you ask me. But now we're going to get into the second segment of the video, which is the cost breakdown. Now if you didn't know, this car here, the 507 C63, is actually Jake's. It's not mine unfortunately, but there will be a build coming soon for me. So you have to, yeah, the next one. The reveal will be happening, don't you worry. So yeah, I'll hand it over to Jake and he's going to do the cost breakdown for what it costs to build one of these.
Alright guys, so as you know, we've been claiming that this is the cheapest C63 507 edition in the world. And I'm about to show you why. So, got a little whiteboard here that we made up for this. So we originally got the car for 25,000 Australian dollars. That's the price from the auction. Then this is the fee. Pickles charges a 15% fee on top of that. So that was the 37.50. Then we have the ECU module that we had to buy, 12.79. We have the first inspection, which was $462. Then we got the thermostat housing when we thought the thermostat went, but it actually wasn't that. Had to change that pretty much for no reason, but it's a good safety measure. That was pretty cheap. Then we have the water pump, which was $912. Then we have the engine mounts, the drop links, the AC compressor, the AC condenser, the TX valve, the AC regas, the center console trim, and the window tint. All of that totaled up to a total price for this whole build, this entire car, at 34,804 Australian dollars, which is converted to USD, which is $23,306. In Great British pounds, $17,874, and in euros, $21,864. That, if you ask me, is a very, very, very cheap 507, considering in Australia, in Perth, these range for anywhere between 85,000 Australian to 120,000 Australian. So getting that for 34,000 is a pretty damn good deal if you ask me. I mean, you see how much fun this car brings us. It is a hell of a car. We're gonna keep showing you more of it, don't worry. This is not the last you see of this car. So we're planning on returning to mod this car in the near future, put lowering, maybe headers, a tune, get it even faster than it is already. I don't know if it needs that, but why not? And yeah, but we need all your guys' support if we want to do that. We need to blow this channel up as much as we can because we really, really, really enjoy doing this and we love bringing you guys content, seeing you guys enjoy it. And yeah, we're hoping you're enjoying this video. And also let us know all in the comments what you thought of the build and everything we can improve on. because obviously we're not perfect, we're not great yet, but we're trying to improve every video, and really hope you guys are enjoying. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, obviously. Let me give you a bit of a better view of this thing. So this is a better view, just if you want to have a read. But yeah, that's everything. Now we're going to show you a bit more fun, a few cruises, a few rollers. Going to go on a bit of a cruise with our mates, get that in the video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Guys, we're going to give you a quick sound check on the car.
This thing is so unbelievably loud. We're going to get out of here before the range is called. Drive, Jake, drive.
But before we left, we couldn't miss the opportunity to get a few shots of the car by the river. Then, it was time to go for a bit of a night cruise, where we also got to see Christian's first reaction to driving the car. Christian's first time ever driving the car. Holy, yep. Here we go.
Just for context, I've gone from a 190 horsepower BMW to this, so...
That's it, man. Here we go.
Beautiful startup.
Let's open that sunroof, bro.
Chuck the window down too.
Let's open the sunroof fully. Turn that music down. Turn that music down, bro.
Can't be getting copyrighted.
Alright guys, Christian's first ever drive.
Yep.
Here we go, got the startup already.
This thing is so smooth, it's unreal.
It's very, very smooth, guys. Holy.
Amazing.
How much was that?
No, it's not even a half.
Really?
Yeah, I don't want to...
Yeah, flat is pretty rough.
I've never driven it, I don't want to bin it, so...
You won't bin it with flat, but it's like, it's scary. The first time you do it, it's scary.
Yeah, that was nothing, trust me. Hopefully you guys can hear this okay.
Yeah, I don't know if people will be able to. You feel the torque though?
This torque is amazing.